Windows are an essential component of any home. They offer natural light, fresh air, and a connection to the outside world. However, over time, windows can become inefficient, worn, or damaged, negatively affecting your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and appearance. If you're a homeowner in West Jordan, it's important to keep an eye out for signs that your windows need replacing. Replacing your windows can enhance the look and feel of your home, increase energy efficiency, and boost its overall value. Here are some key signs that it may be time to replace your windows. Increased energy bills. One of the most obvious signs that your windows may need replacing is a noticeable increase in your energy bills. Older windows, especially those that are single pane or improperly sealed, can allow heat to escape in the winter and let hot air in during the summer. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, resulting in higher energy costs. If you've noticed a significant rise in your electricity or gas bills despite keeping your thermostat settings consistent, it could be due to poor insulation caused by your windows. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round and lower your utility bills. Visible draft. Drafty windows are a clear sign that your windows are no longer providing an adequate seal against outdoor elements. If you can feel air coming through the edges of your windows, even when they are closed, it means that your windows are not properly sealed. Drafts not only make your home less comfortable but also reduce its energy efficiency. You can easily test for drafts by holding a candle or incense stick near the window frame. If the flame flickers or the smoke moves, it's a sign that air is entering or escaping through your windows. Window replacement can resolve this issue and restore the energy efficiency of your home. Difficulty operating the windows. If your windows are becoming difficult to open, close, or lock, it's another clear indicator that it's time for a replacement. Over time, the mechanisms inside windows can wear out, making them harder to operate. This could be due to warping, swelling, or the buildup of dirt and grime in the window tracks. Not only does this affect the functionality of the windows, but it can also compromise the security of your home. Windows that don't operate smoothly or fail to lock securely can be a major safety concern. Having functional and secure windows is crucial for keeping your home safe from potential break-ins. If your windows are becoming a hassle to operate, it's time to consider replacing them with modern, more reliable options. Condensation between window panes. If you have double-pane windows and notice condensation or fog appearing between the panes of glass, it's a sign that the seal has failed. The purpose of double-pane windows is to create a layer of air between the panes to improve insulation and energy efficiency. When the seal breaks, moisture can enter the space, leading to the foggy appearance inside the window. While the broken seal does not usually affect the structural integrity of the window, it can reduce its energy efficiency and make your windows look unattractive. If condensation is present between the panes, it's time to replace the window to restore its performance and aesthetic appeal. Visible damage or wear. windows that show signs of damage, such as cracks, chips, or warped frames, are prime candidates for replacement. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause wood to rot, frames to warp, or glass to crack. Not only does this damage affect the appearance of your windows, but it can also compromise their ability to keep your home secure, insulated, and protected. Damaged windows also pose a safety risk, especially if the glass is cracked or shattered. If you notice visible damage or wear, replacing the windows is essential to prevent further issues and restore the security of your home. Noise pollution. If outside noise is becoming more noticeable inside your home, it could be because your windows are no longer providing adequate soundproofing. Windows with poor insulation or older single-pane glass are less effective at blocking external sounds, such as traffic noise, neighbor activity, or construction. Newer windows, especially double-pane or triple-pane windows, are designed to block external noise, providing a quieter and more peaceful living environment. If you live in a noisy area or near a busy street in West Jordan, replacing your windows with more soundproof options can improve your home's overall comfort. Outdated appearance. Sometimes, windows simply begin to look outdated or no longer match the style of your home. If your windows are detracting from your home's curb appeal or aesthetic, it may be time for an upgrade. New windows can dramatically improve the look of your home's exterior and interior, increasing its value and appeal. Replacing old, worn-out windows with modern designs can give your home a fresh, updated look. Whether you choose energy-efficient windows, stylish window frames, or new colors and finishes, new windows can enhance your home's overall appearance. You're planning a renovation. If you're remodeling or renovating your home, replacing old windows can be a great way to enhance the overall design and improve the performance of your home. Whether you're adding a new extension or upgrading the look of your kitchen or living room, new windows can complement your renovation plans and increase your home's energy efficiency. Upgrading your windows during a renovation can also ensure that your home stays comfortable and energy efficient, especially if you're adding insulation or changing your HVAC system. New windows can tie together your design and provide long-term value to your home. Conclusion. Time to replace your windows in West Jordan? If you're noticing any of these signs, increased energy bills, drafty windows, difficulty operating windows, condensation, or visible damage, it may be time to consider window replacement for your home in West Jordan. Replacing your windows with newer, energy-efficient options will not only improve your home's comfort, security, and appearance, but it will also lower utility bills and increase the value of your home. Don't wait until your windows are causing more problems. Upgrading to new, modern windows is an investment that will pay off for years to come, ensuring that your home is more comfortable, secure, and energy efficient.